In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect tasks and subtasks in Asana. If you've ever needed to break a bigger piece of work into smaller, trackable parts while keeping everything organized in one place, this process will help you do exactly that. We'll start on the home screen, head to your personal task list, open a task's details, and then create subtasks that live directly inside that task so the relationship is clear and easy to manage. Begin by opening Asana and heading to the home page. This is your central hub where you can quickly get your bearings. Make sure you're in the right workspace or team if you use more than one. Home gives you a clean starting point so you're not digging through different views or projects right away. Next, look at the left sidebar and click on My Tasks. This view collects tasks assigned to you across projects so you can work from a single prioritized list. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge to reveal it. My Task is the fastest way to pick the parent task you want to break down without jumping between multiple projects. Now, choose the task that you want to connect with subtasks. Think of this as your parent task, the main container that defines the overall goal. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items. Pick the task that would benefit from clear, smaller checkpoints. Selecting the right parent up front helps keep context intact. With the task highlighted, open its detailed view by clicking the small greater than symbol to the right of the task name. This expands a panel on the right side with everything you need: description, activity, attachments, and the subtask area. If the panel is already open, clicking the symbol simply keeps you in the detailed view so you can work comfortably. Inside the Details panel, find and click Add Subtask. This creates a line right under the subtask section where you can begin defining the work that rolls up into your parent task. You'll see a blinking cursor ready for input, confirming you're in the right spot. Type in the subtask name. Keep it specific and action-oriented so it's clear what needs to happen. If you have multiple subtasks, press Enter after each one to create the next line and continue listing them out. As you add them, they'll nest neatly under the parent, making the connection obvious and helping you follow progress at a glance. That's it. Your tasks and subtasks are now connected in Asana, giving you a structured, clear path from big picture to actionable steps.